Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2012 Mercedes Benz M-Class. So any screen, we go over to Navi, click on Navi. Not a whole lot to see there. If I click the center of this, you've then got, the menu comes up and you've got destination in the corner. If it's not there, you just turn this. So click on destination, address entry, from memory, from last destinations, from points of interest. So we're going for address entry this time. Map, country, town, street. We want postcode, that's the easiest. So we turn this, actually I can just knock it down. So if I knock that towards me, brings it down onto the bottom menu, turn it right to on postcode, click the center, and then here we go, we've got the alphabet. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Preston, PR 5 4, and then, oh gosh, not doing very well here, EA, PR5 4EA. Again, even though you've just typed it in, you have to select it. Continue. Now start.
Make a U-turn if possible. You have reached your destination.
That's it. I was going to say it's as easy as that, but there's way too many steps. Having said that, you only need it once in a while, and if you're ever stuck, I mean, most people use the phone these days, but if you're ever stuck, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.